Sometimes life just feels heavy, like everything is happening all at once, and you can't quite catch your breath. There's so much change, so many emotions, and not enough time to process it all. And when that happens, I come back to my journal, not to solve everything, but just to let it all spill out, to breathe again, to exhale. You don't need a plan today. You don't need to have it all figured out. This video is a gentle space for you to do the same. All you need is a pen, a page, and a few quiet minutes with yourself. Let your words be messy. Let your emotions be honest. You're safe here. Here's how it works. I'll share with you one main journaling prompt and then a few reflection questions to help you go a little deeper. You can pause the video whenever you need to, or just let it play in the background while you write. There's no right or wrong way to do this, just presence, honesty, and self-compassion. Let's get started. Your first prompt is, what emotions am I holding in my body right now? Don't overthink your answer, just let the words come out. Maybe you feel tired, maybe you feel heavy, maybe your heart feels sad, or maybe you're hopeful, maybe you're confused. Whatever it is, let it move from your mind to the page. You're allowed to feel everything. If you need a little bit more guidance, here are some questions to help you explore. Where in my body do I feel this emotion? Describe it. How does it feel? What might this feeling be trying to tell me? Have I been ignoring any part of myself that needs a little bit of attention? There's no rush. Let your answers unfold slowly. You can pause here, take your time, and write as much as you can. Keep writing. Now let's gently shift into release. Ask yourself, what can I gently let go of today? What am I willing to release? What's one thing I no longer need to carry with me? And sometimes release isn't dramatic. It's simply choosing peace in this moment right now. It's simply choosing to let go. Trust that you're doing enough. Trust that you are enough. If there's something you are struggling to let go of, ask yourself why. What is this story giving to you? What is this allowing you to feel? What story are you perpetuating? What does this mean for you? What would it mean to let go of how you're feeling in this moment? How would you feel if you did release any of these emotions? As the emotions are coming up, make sure to breathe through them and release them with every exhale. Keep writing, keep going. Now that you've explored what you're feeling and what you're ready to release, take a deep breath and ask yourself, what do I need right now? What would it look like to give myself that, even in small ways? How can I show up for myself right now? What do I need to take care of myself, mentally, spiritually, physically? And how can I do that in the next few hours? Maybe you need rest. Maybe you need to nurture yourself. Maybe it's creativity, time in nature, or maybe you need to laugh. Whatever it is, write it down and give yourself the permission and the gift to take care of yourself and to show up for yourself and to nurture yourself. More emotions might be coming up as you're going through the release phase. Make sure to keep writing freely without any judgment. This is for you. No one is here to judge you. No one is going to look at what you wrote. There is no right or wrong answer. Ask yourself, what do you need right now? And then figure out how can you show up for yourself, even if it's in a small way. Keep writing without any judgment from yourself or anyone else. Breathe through whatever is coming up for you and keep asking yourself, what do I need to feel better? What would help me release? What would help me be able to let go of what has been weighing me lately? Keep writing, and if you need a little bit more time, you can pause the video. If your heart does feel a little lighter, I want you to take a big exhale and be proud of yourself for showing up, because you are enough, and showing up is enough. You don't need to have all the answers. Sometimes the act of showing up to the page is the healing. Remember, healing doesn't happen in big leaps. Thank yourself for taking the time to connect inward. You're safe, you're growing, even when it feels slow, because it's the small moments of presence, the quiet pages, the gentle return to yourself. Little by little, you're coming home. If this video brought you some calm, save it for the next time life feels a little heavy. And you can explore more guided journaling videos on my channel. Each one a gentle space to help you connect with yourself little by little. Until next time, take care of your heart. I'm sending you a lot of love. Bye for now.